Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Prince Miller Entertainment TV. Subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. It's a Prince Miller Entertainment. Welcome to another edition of our daily news on breaking news. Today is the 18th of January 2021. There are floods in Gweru, and some of the pictures are on your screen right now. To those who are in Gweru, stay safe. Pakaipa. And so guys, let's talk in the comment section. Mnozona say kuti mvura ikunaya manaira ari kuita yani pakaipa maybe ndio cycle neyataura so guys, let's talk in the comment section, and remember to follow us on all our social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook. This is our daily news on breaking news on Prince Miller Entertainment TV. Stay safe. 54. Bless up.